Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this short video I'm going to show you how you can find someone's social media account with the help of a photo. If you want to find someone's social media accounts and you have only photo of this person in this video, I will show you how you can find someone photo. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. First of all, you need to open Facebook. Okay, tap on post icon and after that you need to select this person photo. Okay, now you need to tap on next. After that you need to tap on again this photo and tap on again. You can see a person screen. Tap a face to drag. Just tap on face. After that you need to select the tag section and you can see a person screen right now. This person showing in my screen right now. If you want to select that, it will tags and after that you need to open its profile. So with that method you can easily find someone social media accounts and tap on done, go back. If you want to try the other way, you need to simply open Google Lens. Okay, you can see a person screen. Open Google, tap on lens icon. After that you need to tap on select the photo and select the image. Okay, after that Google will suggested this kind of images. You need to find the exact person. In the bottom section, find someone, and after that you need to easily find this person by this simple two method. Hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notifications.